Hi everyone, I'm Miss Laura from Linebaugh Library and I'm here with my special friend, Peter Rabbit. Peter, can you say hi to everyone? Look, he's waving to you. Today, Peter and I are here to read you a story for our novel engineering program. And today's story is called Cinderella, Stories Around the World, a French fairy tale by Carrie Meister. Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl who lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. The stepmother and stepsisters had very cruel hearts and treated the girl poorly. They made her do all the work, scrubbing the dishes, mopping the floors, washing the clothes, and cleaning their bedrooms. The stepsisters dressed in the finest gowns and slept in the finest beds. The poor girl was given only rags to wear. She slept on a straw bed. The stepsisters called the girl Cinderella because her clothes were often covered in cinders and ashes from the fireplace near her bed. One day, an invitation for the princess' ball arrived. The stepsisters were delighted. They spent the next few weeks picking out gowns and decided how to style their hair. Cinderella wanted to go to the ball too, but the stepsisters laughed. You, they said, certainly not. There is too much work for you to do. You must clean the entire house and help us get ready. When the day of the ball arrived, the stepsisters left. Cinderella cried. I wish I could go, she said. As soon as Cinderella said this, her fairy godmother appeared. She touched Cinderella with her magic wand. The girl's rags turned into a gown of gold and silver. On her feet were glass slippers. Next, the fairy godmother turned a pumpkin into a coach. She turned 6 lizards into coachmen, a rat into a driver, and 6 mice into horses. But she warned, when the clock strikes midnight, the magic will be gone. Cinderella's beauty stunned everyone, especially the prince. She and the prince danced all night. When the clock struck 12, Cinderella ran from the palace, losing 1 slipper. The prince was puzzled. Who was she? How could he find her? All he had was 1 glass slipper. The next day he issued a proclamation. I shall marry the girl who fits the slipper. The prince's servant traveled from house to house. He tried the slipper on every girl. It did not fit any of them. At Cinderella's house, the stepsisters tried. When the slipper did not fit, Cinderella asked, May I try? It fit perfectly. Cinderella's godmother reappeared and touched Cinderella with her wand. The rags were gone once again, changed into fine cloth, and 2 days later, Cinderella and the prince married and lived happily ever after. Peter Rabbit, what did you think of that story?
Oh, thank you, Miss Laura, for that enchanting tale. Boys and girls, do you remember how Cinderella got to the ball? That's right, the fairy godmother turned a pumpkin into a coach. Miss Laura, what would happen if the coach got a flat tire? She would have to find a new way to get to the ball. Would she parachute? Could she fly? What if she took a boat? Inside your quest kit, which you can pick up from Linebaugh or Smyrna, there are some novel engineering supplies. Using only those supplies, see what form of transportation you can build to get Cinderella safely to the ball before she has to leave at midnight. Be sure to post photos of your creations in the comments below, or email us at linebaughsrp@rclstn.org.
We can't wait to see the creations you make, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.